It has never been harder for service businesses to stand out than it is right now. Why? Because while your competitors are fighting over expensive Google ads and crowded social media feeds, they're completely missing the platform where your potential customers are already searching for solutions. The average service business is leaving thousands of dollars on the table every month by ignoring YouTube, all while struggling to get clients, build trust, and create marketing that actually lasts. But here's the good news. With just a tiny bit of strategy, you can get ahead of 99% of the service businesses in your area. I've discovered 3 secrets that most contractors, realtors, and local service professionals have absolutely no idea about when it comes to YouTube. These aren't just tips, they're complete game changers. And before I reveal these 3 secrets, I need you to understand just how powerful YouTube really is. So if you are a service business looking to grow your business without wasting money on ads that don't work, pay close attention to what I'm about to share. This might be the most important information you hear this year. Let me hit you with some numbers that most service businesses have no idea about. YouTube processes over 3 billion searches every single month. That's billion with a B. And here's what's crazy. A huge portion of those searches are people looking for solutions to problems that you solve every single day. Don't believe me? Let me show you. Look at these search results and look at the view counts. Thousands, sometimes millions of people searching for exactly what you do. And who's capturing all this attention? Mostly DIY creators and big national brands, not the local experts who actually solve these problems for a living. This is wide open territory for service businesses just like yours. And here's the biggest misconception that keeps service professionals off of YouTube. They think they need to be entertainers. They think they need to dance or do pranks or compete with the Mr. Beast of the world. That's absolute nonsense. Look at these channels. This is a contractor in Ohio, a realtor in Florida, an insurance agent in Texas. None of them are doing anything flashy, but what they're doing is demonstrating expertise, answering questions, and showing their work. And look at the numbers. This contractor, they're generating 15 to 20 qualified leads every month. Take a look at this realtor. They closed millions of dollars in deals directly from clients who found them on YouTube. The secret isn't entertainment. The secret is about being helpful and demonstrating expertise in a place where people are already searching for it. While your competitors are chasing likes on Instagram, posts that disappear in 24 hours, YouTube is sitting there, a massive untapped goldmine of potential clients who are actively searching for your services. And the best part? Unlike paid ads that stop working the moment you stop paying, YouTube keeps working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the entire year. Now I'm going to reveal the first secret that most service businesses don't understand about YouTube. It's not just a video platform. It's the second largest search engine on the planet. Only Google itself is bigger. And here's what makes this absolutely mind-blowing. Google owns YouTube, and when you search for how-to questions on Google, what often shows up right at the top? YouTube videos. This means you create content for YouTube, but it shows up on both platforms. Let me show you something that should make you stop and think. Look at these results. People are searching for solutions you provide every single day. They're typing in problems you solve. And who are they finding? DIY creators, influencers, big brands, but not the local professionals who actually do this for a living. I want you to think about this. When someone searches how to fix a leaky faucet, how to stage a home for sale, or what insurance do I need for my small business, they're giving you incredible information. They're telling you exactly what problem they have. They're raising their hand and saying, I need this specific help. That's marketing gold. And 99% of service businesses are completely ignoring it. You already know the answers to these questions. You solve these problems every single day. But instead of capturing this traffic, you're letting your competition win by default. And here's the kicker. YouTube searchers are in a completely different mindset than social media scrollers. On social media, people are distracted, scrolling past dozens of posts per minute. On YouTube, they actually search for a specific solution. They're engaged, they're focused, and they're ready to listen to an expert. That's why the first secret, understanding YouTube searchability, is so powerful for service businesses. It's not about going viral. It's about being found exactly when your potential customer needs you the most. Now, the second secret that changes everything for service businesses on YouTube, the trust building effect. Let me ask you something. Would you rather hire someone you've never seen or heard from before, or someone whose face you know, whose voice you recognize, and whose expertise you've already witnessed? It's not even a question, is it? This is what I call the like, know, and trust factor. And nothing, absolutely nothing, accelerates this process faster than video. When potential customers see your face, hear your voice, and witness your expertise before they ever pick up the phone, something magical happens. They're already 80% sold before you even speak with them. Think about what normally happens in your business. A potential customer calls you. You spend the first 10 to 15 minutes of every single conversation explaining who you are, what you do, how you do it, and why they should trust you. But when they find you through YouTube, that conversation changes completely. Instead of tell me about your company, they say, I saw your video about this topic and I need exactly that solution. They stop asking how much do you charge and they start asking when can you start? Instead of I'm getting 3 other quotes, they say, I feel like I already know you. I trust your approach. I had a client, a roofer in Michigan, who told me something that blew my mind. They said, since I started on YouTube channel, my close rate went from 40% to nearly 80%. When I asked them why, they said by the time they call me, they've already watched me explaining roofing problems, show my work process, and solve the issues exactly like theirs. They're not calling for quotes, they're calling to book me. This isn't just marketing, it's pre-selling. It's building relationships with hundreds or thousands of potential clients while you sleep, while you work, and while you're with your family. And the best part, this trust building effort works 24/7, reaching people that you wouldn't have found otherwise. Now, for the third and the most powerful secret about YouTube that service businesses miss completely, permanence and passive lead generation. Let me ask you a question. What happens to that Instagram post you spent an hour creating or the Facebook update you carefully crafted? After 24 to 48 hours, it's buried.
Be gone, dead and buried.
Never to be seen again unless somebody specifically scrolls back through your profile, which almost nobody does. When you post a YouTube video, something extraordinary happens. It doesn't disappear after a day or two. It stays there, working for you
day after day, week after week, month after month.
Let me tell you a mind-blowing fact. A plumber in Arizona posted a video 14 months ago. They're still getting 20 to 30 views every single day. That's 600 to 900 views per month on a video that was created once and never touched again. How many code calls would you have to make to get in front of 900 potential customers every month? How much would you have to spend on Google ads to get that much exposure? This is why I tell my clients, renting is social media, owning is YouTube. Every single video you create becomes a 24/7 salesperson that never sleeps, never takes a day off, and never complains about making more calls. This is what we call the compounding effect. When you have 5 videos, each getting 30 views, that's 150 daily views. 10 videos, 20 videos, you can do the math, and you're seeing this. These aren't just random people either. These are people actually searching for solutions to problems that you solve. They've already pre-qualified themselves before they even come to you. This isn't just marketing, it's an asset that grows in value over time. It's building a lead generation machine that works for you today and for years to come. So now that you understand the massive opportunity that YouTube presents for your service business, you're probably wondering, how do I actually get started? I'm going to make this dead simple for you. Forget complicated content strategies, forget expensive equipment, forget having to become some kind of video production expert. Here's your roadmap to get started immediately. Identify 5 questions that you get asked the most, your frequently asked questions. You already know these by heart. They're the same questions you answer every single phone call or consultation. If you're a roofer, it might be, how do I know when I need a new roof? Or what's the difference between architectural shingles and 3-tab shingles? If you're a realtor, it might be, what should I fix before listing my home for sale? Or how does the closing process work? And if you're an insurance agent, it might be, how much coverage do I really need? Or what's the difference between term and whole life insurance? These 5 questions become your first 5 videos. Simple as that. Next, and this is crucial, you do not need fancy equipment. The smartphone in your pocket is more than enough to get started. I've seen videos shot on iPhones outperform professionally produced content because information was valuable and you got to know the person. If you want to level up slightly, get a simple lavalier microphone that plugs into your phone for $20 on Amazon. Good audio does matter more even than video quality. Now for each video, here's a simple structure. Start with the question you're answering. Give a quick intro about why this matters to your customers. Answer the question clearly and thoroughly. And end with a simple call to action. If you need help with this service, give me a call at this number or send me an email. That's it. No fancy editing needed. No fancy storytelling. Just your expertise coming through clearly and confidently. Put the main question in your title exactly as a customer would ask for it. And in your description, include your location, service area, and contact information. Add 5 to 10 tags about your service. Now here's the part that people miss. Consistency beats perfection every single time. I would rather see you post 5 videos than work for 6 months on one perfect video. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to show up and share your expertise. The best time to start was 5 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't overthink this. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Your potential customers are searching for your expertise right now. The only question is whether they find you or they find a competitor. Now, if you're serious about using YouTube to grow your service business, I want to offer you 2 ways to take immediate action today. First, I've created a free guide called the Service Business YouTube G that walks you through everything we've discussed today in a simple step-by-step format. It includes my proven title templates, description frameworks, and even a 30-day content plan specifically designed for service professionals just like you. To get instant access, just click the link in the description below. I want to get this information into your hands right now. And if you're really ready to accelerate your results and want personalized guidance for your specific business, I'm offering a limited number of 1-hour YouTube strategy consultations this month. During this call, we'll analyze your current marketing, identify your most profitable content opportunities, and create a custom roadmap to get your YouTube channel generating leads within the next 30 days. Fair warning though, these slots fill up fast and I only work with businesses I know I can help. So if you're serious about leveraging YouTube to grow your service business, click the schedule consultation link in the description. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Your competition certainly is watching as well. Remember, while they're spending thousands on ads that disappear the moment they stop paying, you'll be building a permanent asset that generates leads on autopilot. The choice is yours.